In 1921, the engineer Heinrich Wild founded a company by the name of Heinrich Wild Werkstätte für Feinmechanik und Optik, situated in the Swiss Rhine Valley. He rose to international fame with his precision theodolites. Various innovative instruments devised for measurement techniques have ever since been produced by his company. In 1990, the startup company Wildherr-Bruck was taken over by Leica. In 1998, Polymeca arose from Leica Geosystems, which is now part of the Swedish-based Hexagon Group. Polymeca remained faithful to the legacy of the Swiss pioneer Heinrich Wild. With its 130 highly qualified specialists, the company ranks among the world's leading providers of optical products with fine precision mechanics, intended for the discerning client both from the respective industry and from Hexagon's network of subsidiaries. As a one-stop shop provider, Polymeca produces mechanical components and systems for industries that require items with precision degrees in the micrometer range. Clients include companies in the medical technology, machine industry, and chip equipment sectors. Modern theodolite systems produced by Leica Geosystems are equipped with GPS and achieve positional accuracy at the millimeter level. They are generated by the high-precision rotation and tilting axes. These rotary axis systems, designed to meet the highest standards, are manufactured only by Polymeca. For over 20 years, Polymeca has produced the rotary axis systems using conventional grinding machines. However, a new chapter is now being written in the history of the company. Against the backdrop of a highly competitive market, the company has invested 4 million Swiss francs in a full-fledged production unit, which provides the basis for a quantum leap forward in the production business. The new equipment allows Polymeca to reduce the number of processing steps from 20 to an unparalleled 5 to produce the rotary axis systems. This enables the production to be flexible and economic without facing competition, even where different batch sizes are required. The processing time has been cut to half, the capacity increased by 35%, and the total inventory value reduced by 20%. In the fully automated grinding center, the rotation and tilting axes receive their final form, which is accurate down to the micrometer level using the 4 precision grinding machines. These ultra-modern machines are equipped with 960 axes made from aluminium blanks, which allow the machines to be operated unattended during weekends. A robotic gripper lifts, holds and transports all components of the tilting axis, including the axis, the 2 bearing flanges and the plate-shaped carrier for the indexed glass disc, and tightly positions them for further processing. On a rotary indexing table, 3 measurement units perform a pre-process measurement on the bearing flanges and the plate-shaped carriers. The results arising from the grinding operations affect the processing of the rotary axis. This allows the 4 components of the tilting axis to be processed on one machine and in perfect alignment with each other. These triple-match grinding applications are unique within Switzerland. They cause the axis to precisely match 3 positions with 3 other components. Simultaneously, the axis is ground in one run and in one clamping setup by 2 profiled grinding discs aligned parallel to each other. This procedure is carried out on the basis of unrivaled high-precision processing in the micrometer range. After the processing, the components are laser-marked and passed on in a group. Polymeca's metrology division is equally characterized by highest precision, ranging from processing procedures to top-down control. The Roma Absolute Arm is a portable precision coordinate measuring machine used for efficient industrial 3D control. Its measuring arm was developed by Hexagon Metrology and is manufactured by the Hexagon Group, which also owns Polymeca. Polymeca produces a rotary joint for the Roma measuring arm using a 5-axis high-speed milling machine. The use of the 5-axis machine saves time, allowing the joints having a dual housing structure to be milled and completely processed in only one clamping setup. 4 or even more workpieces are milled from a solid block of aluminum and only one clamping setup, and performed in a fully automated process. This applies to components with a size of 600 by 600 by 600 millimeters. The Roma components are anodized and are now ready to be coated with lacquer at Polymeca's paint shop. Certain parts of the joints not to be lacquered need to be masked prior to applying lacquer. This is done manually and requires the qualified specialists to be very precise. The company's surface technology guarantees aesthetically perfect components and lean operations due to high levels of process depth. The company Alcon produces innovative equipment for laser eye surgery. An accurate device which adjusts the laser beam and monitors eye movement is required for the laser vision correction using wavelight. Due to its pioneering processing procedures, Polymeca is able to produce these highly complex devices, ensuring high quality and low costs. This cone-shaped optical lens carrier made from aluminum blocks is processed in 2 clamping setups using a 4-axis milling machine. 16 blocks are simultaneously clamped to allow the processing time to be minimized. The processed optical lens carriers are inspected in the production environment using the Serio measuring robot with automatic temperature compensation. The robot exhibits a measurement accuracy of 5 micrometers. The consistent measurement and control concept developed by Polymeca guarantees highest precision and reliability for each production order. The tip of the colorless anodized cone-shaped optical lens carrier is finalized using the high-precision hard-turning machine with hydrostatic bearings. Hard turning is an efficient alternative to grinding and guarantees a measurement accuracy of 4 micrometers. Prior to shipment, each wavelight cone is laser marked and manually inspected.
Polymeca stands for state-of-the-art manufacturing technology. With Polymeca as a competent partner for highest accuracy parts, we are able to retain and even to extend our technology leadership. Our Leica Absolute trackers require the most precise mechanical parts, which Polymeca is able to deliver for our customer benefit.
Polymeca ensures accuracy down to the micrometer level whenever highest precision or complex shaping operations are required. Individual, reliable, competitive and flexible, Polymeca is the partner of choice for all professional users in the mechanical industry. Our fully automated grinding center sets new standards with regard to precision and efficiency. An impressive number of 7,000 hours per year provides great flexibility in responding to client demand variability. The expertise allows Polymeca to become one of the leading providers. Thanks to our flexible machining center, clients benefit from an annual capacity of 5,000 hours of cost-efficient multiple machine work that requires the employee to attend to 2 or more machines running simultaneously. Polymeca's high levels of process depth, ranging from the handling of raw material to the surface finishing operations, ensure efficient processing procedures and a very broad range of products. The high level of measurement competence gives Polymeca an unbeatable advantage in the marketplace. The company's 3D measurement laboratory maintains a constant room temperature, which can display variations of a maximum of 0.5 degrees centigrade per hour, allowing a measurement accuracy of less than 1 micrometer. Rely on Swiss precision, tightly and precisely controlled during all stages of the process operations. Polymeca, precision engineering, as precise as your measurement devices. since 1921.